Hi guys, if when you activate your reverse gear, you see this exclamation mark on the top left corner and you don't see the yellow guidelines, here you can change different modes. So this means that our steering wheel needs to be adjusted. For that, first we'll have to enter the service menu. So put the vehicle into park, and now you have to press and hold the audio button and turn on and off marker lights 3 times. 1, 2, 3, off, and here you are. This is a service menu. In the menu you have to go to function check setting. Here you will see the camera setting, and you have to go to steering angle setting. Then I'll press next. You'll see 2 buttons here, steering center memorize and the max steering angle memorize. We'll have to press this one first, and now you need to turn the steering wheel all the way to the right first and then all the way to the left. After you've done that, just press this button, max steering angle memorize. Now just go back, and now we'll have to turn off the vehicle and I will start it again. So now when I engage my reverse gear, as you can see, now we have our guidelines. The exclamation mark has disappeared and the yellow lines are back to normal. I'll change the view to the normal and we have our guidelines. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this will fix your issue, and we'll see you in the next video.